Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. Today's video is so exciting, and if you couldn't see from the title, this is why. But it's also super exciting because I am doing a collab for this video. I haven't done a collab in such a long time, and it's with two amazing girls who also got the Jeffree Star boxes. They both got the deluxe box. I got all three, as you can see, because I cannot help myself. But their names are Khalees Rochelle here on YouTube and Cayla June here on YouTube as well. And I'll obviously link their stuff below. I'll link their video below, I'll link their channel and their Instagram down in the description box below. I want to make sure you guys go check out their videos as well, because I know that our boxes might be a little different from each other, which is really awesome. So excited about this video. Make sure you go check out their stuff, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. And let's get right into this Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing. The first box that was up on the site is the mini box. It is $20 and you get 3 items in this box. The second box is the premium box. You get 5 items and it was $45. And the third box, obviously the deluxe box, you get 10 items and it is $70. Now the value of all of these range. So the first box is valued at $50, the second box is valued at $94, and the third box is valued at $175. So these boxes are a really good deal. You get to try out a bunch of new products for really good money. Getting this whole box for $20, that is worth one liquid lipstick. So you're doing a lot better than you normally would get on the website itself. Alright, so we have it right here. Let me get my little scissors. We're just gonna get it open. Alright, so you open up the mini box and it's obviously got its green wrapping right here. So I'm just gonna open up and see what's inside. Woohoo! Okay, so normally in these mystery boxes, one of the items you get is a pop socket, and you know what? I actually really like them. I have the one I got from the first Jeffree Star unboxing, or mystery box unboxing, on my phone right now. So the first thing I get in this box is a chartreuse colored neon yellow pop socket, which I'm so excited about. So I am going to be doing a giveaway with some of these products and other products very, very soon on my channel, because it's someone's 4-year anniversary coming up. God, I need to stop. Some of this stuff will be going to giveaways, including some of these pop sockets. So it looks like I got 2 liquid lipsticks in this one, and they're both not regular collection lipsticks. I'm not really sure what this one's from. I'm honestly so bad at telling what collection, what liquid lipstick's coming from, but I know they're cute. So the first liquid lipstick I got in the mini box is the shade Scandal. I'm just gonna go ahead and rip from the bottom, because then I don't have to rip the seal. And this is what it looks like. It's such pretty packaging. Has glitters all over, and I think they're either duochrome or iridescent shades. But I really love the white lid as well, but this is what it looks like. Look at that. That's such a gorgeous shade. It's a really, really wearable shade too, which is really nice, because when you get these products, you don't really know necessarily if they're gonna work well for you. Make sure you shake these two before you use them. I'm not very good at swatching, so please just keep that in mind. But this is a really gorgeous shade. It's a nice pinky mauve shade that you really could wear every day if you wanted to. So love that one. And next I got the shade First Class, which is in this amazing packaging right here. This is what this one looks like right here. Obviously just gorgeous packaging, but this is a gold metallic liquid lip, which if you didn't know, you can use all of the liquid lips on your eyes as well. They are eye safe, vegan, you know, that whole shebang. This is gorge. Let me just, I can't dip in a few times because it seems to be a little bit dry. This one seems to be a little bit dry, but that's fine. This is what it looks like. I feel like that would make a gorgeous, gorgeous lid color. So I'm going to keep it because of that. And obviously I swatched it. The ones that I'm going to be giving away, I will not be opening. I'll show you the packaging and stuff like that, but I'm not going to open them actually. That is the first box complete. On to the next one. Oh, yes. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, the first thing that I see in here is a liquid frost. This is in the shade Frozen Peach. You guys, I don't think you know how much I've wanted one of these. Like, I want one of these so bad, and this is the shade I wanted too. I'm gonna break the seal on this because, you know, I'm keeping it. God, oh my gosh, guys, this is so gorgeous. I just spit, it's fine. So this is what the bottle looks like. It is so pretty. Oh my God, guys. You see that? I'm gonna go ahead and put some, oh, that's what it looks like right there. Let's go ahead and blend that out. Oh my God. That is so gorgeous. It just gives you a really, really nice pink peachy shift to the body. Oh yes, please. Next, I got another pop socket. This one is orange. I love orange, so that's cool. The next thing I got is the shade Karma from this collection. I think I'm going to be giving this one away. I'm not a huge fan of the shade, and I don't see myself using it, so why not give it to someone who can use it. But it is a brownish green metallic shade. And it looks like that. So this is going in a giveaway very, very soon. So this is a lip ammunition, and this is in the shade Gargoyle. This one, I've heard some things. I've heard some things about it, and I'm going to show you it. And hopefully you can see it, but I don't know if you will be able to see exactly what it is. Do you see the hair? This actually has a couple little holes in the top and a hair in it, and some sweat marks, even though this has been sitting inside for probably 4 days now. 3 days, but luckily I got my handy dandy microscope because I heard that this could be a thing that happened and I want to check it out, so let's do this. So at this point in editing, I realized that my original footage wasn't working, but this footage was filmed after, and I had already plucked out the hair. So this just shows the different holes and different textures and the streaks left behind after you swatch it once or twice, which is kind of gross. So just keep that in mind using this lipstick. So last but not least, for the premium box, we have the mystery shade. Now you've probably seen this by now. This is not the earliest Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing, but this shade is gorgeous. It's such a pretty, just everyday nude shade, so wearable, not what I was expecting. So I'm super excited for this, and you get the nice summer packaging as well. And I'm actually getting 2 of these because there's also one coming in the large box, like he already guaranteed that. So one of these is gonna go to me and one of them is gonna go to Miss Ellie Hayes. She was really excited about it, so I told her I'd give it to her. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this because this is mine. So that's so pretty. It's a nice, just pinky watermelon shade. It kind of reminds me of the shade Rose Madder. I don't think they're super close, but like It definitely reminds me of other shades, but this is definitely a unique shade and it's really pretty packaging, so I really love that. Moving on to the third and final box, this is the premium box. Now in this one, again, you get 10 different things. So this one usually comes with a shirt, maybe an accessory, and a bunch of liquid lipsticks. So let's see what's inside. Woo! I'm so excited! So excited. All right, so first you get another pop socket. So this one is orange as well. So that's exciting. Next, oh my god, I'm so excited about this. He just started selling these on his website. Actually, not just started, but you know, it's been a little bit of time. But we got a reusable straw. So that's so exciting. It says, be iconic and classy with this Jeffree Star approved strawberry metal straw. This is so cute. I know Ellie is going to like try and kill me for this. So maybe I'll give it to her. Maybe I'll keep it for myself. Who knows? But one of us is getting it. Next, I have 4 liquid lipstick shades. One of them is obviously that mystery shade that I talked about earlier. That's gonna go straight to my sister. Next, we have the shade Diva. This is a nice pink shade, Regina George pink. Let me tell you, it is pink. Pink. I don't have this one myself. However, I decided that I wanted to put this one in the giveaway, so one of you guys will be getting this as well in my upcoming 4-year anniversary giveaway. Next up is another giveaway item, but I wanted to show you guys here too. It is the shade Mannequin from Jeffree Star. This might be one of the most iconic nudes from the collection and one that a lot of people really like. But I personally don't wear this kind of color, so I want to pass it on to one of you who will get some wear out of it. But yeah, so that's another one. Next, we have the liquid lip shade Poinsettia. It is one of the prettiest red shades that I have ever seen in my life. It's got gorgeous little micro glitters in it that are a little bit gold reflective, and it is just so pretty. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. That is what it looks like right there. Again, this would look so gorgeous on the eyes or on the lips, so I'm so excited for Christmas time when I get to wear this one. All right, next, I'm so excited to have this because I don't have any lip liners, so I got a Jeffree Star lip liner. This is in the shade Allegedly, which I have the lipstick of. The component on this is so gorgeous too. It's just a regular pencil. However, this nice little top there is so pretty and such a nice touch. But this is what the shade looks like. Go ahead and give you a little swatch here. It's just a nice brick shade and it's really gorgeous. So I'm excited to have that and get to use that in future looks. Next up from the box is a Supreme Frost Highlight. Now this is another item that I'm going to give away to you guys. I'll show you what it is, but it's the color Hypothermia. So I actually don't have any of these, but I know that one of you will get way more use out of this than I will. And this is what it looks like. It's a nice shifting blue to purple highlight. He is so iconic with his different shades that he comes up with and everything, and the packaging is so gorgeous. I can't wait to see which one of you gets that. Next up, I'm literally, oh god, I'm so excited. I might be the most excited for this because I've wanted one of these for so long, literally so long. I got a velour lip scrub. This is the simplest thing and it's honestly only $12, but I have wanted one of these for so long. And it's strawberry too. I'm gonna taste it. That is so good. It tastes so good. I'm getting so many more of these. I'm so excited. This is so good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Why is this the one thing that I'm getting like actually jacked over? Finally, we got a shirt. Okay, let me get it out for you. All right, this is the shirt from the front. Now I got an extra large because I wanted it to be extra big because I like to sleep extra a lot. That didn't make sense. I just like to sleep and these are comfy. And then on the back, we got the classic, "Hi, how are ya?" I'm so excited for this, you guys. You have no idea. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to be sleeping in this for the next 5 years. Alright, you guys, so I think that finally completes the unboxing. Don't forget to go check out Khalees and Cayla's channel while you're here. They're just linked below. It's really easy. Just literally just go click it. Be a nice person. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Check back to watch me try out all these Jeffree Star products in upcoming videos because they'll be here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!